why your DC cables needs to be way thicker than your AC cables. So your home runs on 230 volts or 120 volts if you are from North America. But your off-grid system usually runs on 12, 24 or 48 volts. To deliver the same amount of power to a device on low voltage, more current has to flow through the wires. And when the current increases, also the size of the cable increases. To find the correct cable size for your electrical installation, you need to know two things. The first is the maximum amount of power which are you going to use in watts, and the cable length. Because every circuit has a positive and a negative wire, you need to add both lengths together. So if you have an inverter going to a bus bar which is at 50 centimeters, you need to add the 50 centimeters times 2 because you have a positive wire and a negative wire. The next step is you need to calculate how much amps there are going to flow through your cable in order to calculate the size correctly. So you are going to take the power which you are going to use, for example 600 watts, and you have a 12 volt system. You take the 600 watts, divide it by 12 volts, and you have an outcome of 50 amps. So this 50 amps needs to be able to flow through the size of your cable without burning. To simplify this process, we have created a tool which does that automatically for you. This is our wiring diagram tool called Gridless Solution. You can make your wiring diagram very easy in under 2 minutes. Calculate the wire size, the fuse size, and you have a perfect clean overview of how your wiring diagram looks like. If you want to know more about it, check the link in our bio. And if you want to do it manually, you can also go to our website where you can find our wiring size calculator. You can just fill in the length, how much amps are going to flow through the cable, and then you see an advised maximum size of wire. If you want to read more about this stuff, you can also download our free ebook via the link in our bio.